back to our channel. So if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So nasa pa tayo ngayon?
Nandito tayo sa Wesley Vision or Wesley Conference Center. Kasi kagraduate na siya sa kindergarten.
Yes. So pero daan ba kayo? You heard it right. Kagraduate na. So ngayon ang graduation day ko dito sa Australia. So samahan nyo kami. Sama natin sila.
Tara!
Tara! Let's go! So today is my graduation day. So after 2 years of study, now I earn my master's degree here in Australia. So join me as I take you to my journey as a graduate student. So here I'm getting my graduation dress. So prior of this event, we pre-order our graduation dress. So they took our sizes. So this is just for rental. So we have to return it after the event. So here we go. Tada! Here's my graduation dress. So here I asked Joseph to put the graduation dress on me. So I'm just so grateful that I have my supportive husband with me on this special day. Looking back, my husband is with me all the time. He witnessed me, my struggles, my ups and downs as an international student. But here we go, everything went well. And tada! I'm graduating! So I told Joseph that I really want to document this special day. So I have something to look back. So kaway-kaway dyan sa mga international students like me.
Nice!
Grab pick. So here we're getting our graduation pictorial. So this is an add-on. So I did this so I have a souvenir.
Sabi mo, graduate ka na?
All good and all set. Kalain mo lang to graduate.
Net.
Yes, you can.
This one, yeah? Souvenir. A card. Thank you. Dad. Hi ka naman.
Dyan, dyan. Thanks.
Congratulations again to each and every one of the graduates today. Go out and make your mark. Thank you.
With golden soil and well-filled, our home is goodbye sea. Advance Australia fair.
Romina Team Uitgelag.
Congrats! Graduate na.
All good. Nice. Excellent.
Naks. Yun. Sa wakas, graduate na. Boom! Ano masabi mo?
All good. Thank you sa pagmumpobi ko
Naks.
asawa.
Bola ka ba? Anything for you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Saan na tayo ngayon?
Siyempre, doon tayo sa best part. Kain na na.
See ya! Ano yung in-order mo natin?
So, meron tayong vodka burrata. So, meron siyang burrata, tomato, guanciale vodka, garlic chili, spaghetti. And then, ito naman, aglio olio. So, merong garlic, tapos may nakalagay na EV00 chili and parsley. In yung pasta niya naman is mafalde.
Wow. Italian ba to? Wow. Si. Chow. Ano to ulit?
Burrata.
Burrata. The burrata.
Burrata cheese.
Mana?
Right. Sabay yung pasta. Oh, malamig yan, cold. Yes.
1-0. Teka, meron pa. Si para sa fresh grad kong asawa. Nox! Fresh na fresh! Okay, fresh grad.
Para sa fresh na
Para sa fresh na fresh. Ano yung makakainin mo ngayon?
roti combo with crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken roti, sambal, curry sauce. Oh. Ano to?
Ito yung char kway teow.
Char kway teow. Okay.
At saka nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng or fried
Let's
rice.
eat.
Let's eat. Kain. Fresh grad. Pagod sa marche. Pagod.
Bus na.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ayos. Hey, T. Cheers! Ano?
Lasang grapes, no?
Ito masarap oh. May parang tapioca, may mango slash. Parang may jelly sa ibabaw.
Parang jelly base?
Mango cup.
Grape flavor.
Cup. Ano naman?
Wow. Pero mas gusto ko itong grapes.
May cheese foam sa ibabaw. Ang sarap.
Yummy.
Positive 80.
Bago ito dito, bago bukas yun sa Sydney.
Ayos.
So that's it for our vlog, guys. Thanks for watching.
And congratulations ulit sa ating
So please don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.
see you.